Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to solve this question. X is equal to x plus 1. What is the value of x? Let's go and solve this question. First, I'm going to square both sides of the equation. X squared is equal to x plus 1 square. So I'm going to write x squared is equal to, I'm going to expand this equation. So x plus 1 is whole square. We use mathematical formula that we have. If we have a plus b square, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's go according to this equation or formula. We are going to expand x plus 1 whole square. So x squared plus 2x plus 1. So I'm going to move x squared to the left side of the equation. So x squared minus x squared is equal to 2x plus 1. So x squared, positive x squared, and negative x squared will cancel out. So and 2x plus 1 equal to 0 will remain. So I'm going to move 1 to the other side of the equation. So 2x is equal to minus 1. And now I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So finally, the final answer will be x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Let's go and check that is it correct or not correct. Let's go and check our answer. So I'm gonna plug in x equal to minus 1 over 2 to the original equation. So our original equation is x is equal to x plus 1. So I'm gonna plug in minus 1 over 2 to it. Minus 1 over 2 is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus 1. So minus 1 over 2, I'm gonna write itself, and minus 1 over 2, instead of 1 I'm gonna write 2 over 2. So minus 1 over 2 is equal to, I'm gonna take the common denominator between these two. I'm gonna take one of them, and then I'm gonna add the numerators, minus 1 plus 2, and then minus 1 over 2 is equal to 2 plus minus 1 plus 2, it becomes positive 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2 is equal to positive 1 over 2? No. So this is not equal, so the value of x is not, the value of x is not equal to minus 1 over 2. Let's try another way. This time I'm gonna try another way. X is equal to x plus 1. This is the original equation. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move x to the left side of the equation. So I have x minus x equal to 1. So I'm gonna take x as a common factor. So it become 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So x times 1 minus 1 is 0 is equal to 1. So if I divide both sides of the equation by 0, then I will have, if we cancel out 0 with 0, x is equal to 1 divided by 0 is infinity. So is the answer is infinity? Let's go and see, and let's check this. the original equation is x is equal to x plus 1. So if I plug in infinity is equal to infinity plus 1. So is infinity is equal to infinity plus 1. This infinity plus 1 become infinity. But the nuance point is here that x is not a number. X is not a number. We don't know what is infinity is. Infinity is something ambiguous, something unknown. That's why we cannot say that x is equal to infinity. So that's why from these two solutions, two demonstration, we can say as a result we can say that there is no solution for this question, even some imaginary solution. There is no solution, even imaginary solution for this equation. Thank you very much for watching this video.